Oh, it's thundering. So you can save all them. Now, if you ever have to, say you got a dark spot on your TV, you kind of got to do it backwards. You wouldn't tear everything out, the power supply and that, but you would then open it up to here, pull everything out, keep them in order. You might even want to number them sheets. Be very careful with this, because what you got to do is pull this out. There's little stickum tabs. So if you have a dark spot in the TV, it's probably because, say, these two are burnt out or something. Or it could be this one, but usually that's kind of hard to notice. And whoever guessed 2 gets the cookie award, because it sure looks like 2. And we got these 2. Well, there's much for them poking through. Them are little tabs that you gotta squeeze together and they push through. To them back and we'll cut our way right to them. Oh, okay, just turn them. Push in and turn it. Oh, she's tight. There it goes. See? Just locks in like that. I'm just holding it tight against that to get a little more leverage on it. That one looks like it's a bit looser than the other one. Maybe. Come on, get off me. We're rolling along. There it goes. Now usually they got the things that pop out when you push through the hole. But these are a little different. These are kind of neat though. They're lower profile for the back. Even still, they now since I already got it started this way, it's been pulling kind of easy. Again, if you rip this, it kind of sucks because you got to tape it back together. Because this makes sure that you don't have a weird reflection coming back at you on your TV. So you'd have this out. Your stickums are still here. You might have to add new ones. Just simple double-sided tape would even work, I imagine. You can improvise it to make it work. And that's it. It's just these. And to get these out, you just loosen them. That one you gotta take out, the center one. Just loosen these two. I don't think I can do that. I guess I'll pull them. You don't wanna. Usually you just slide them down. It's like bumping on something. And this is what you'll put your hot plate or whatever across. Heating gun, whatever. You gotta pop these off first. These come off. These diffuser lenses. And actually I got a bunch of these. You can take them and put a little dab of super glue and put them right back on and see how tiny them little LEDs are. And that's all they are. That's it. That's all she wrote with the LEDs. In fact, I'll keep them on. There's no reason to take them off. I just want to get this. I know I'll mess it up if I try to pull it with my hands. I can't get a good enough grip on it. So it's just that main wire coming in. Still can't with that. So I'll get some teeth on it, but just wiggle it out. There it goes. And see, here's our piece from the other side. Yeah, just pull that right through. And that's it. So that's basically, then the dish is soft, is metal. Obviously, this is just tin-ish type metal. That would easily be recycled, and that's basically a breakdown. Now, this again was a very quite simple one, but the older you get, the more boards that you'll find. I mean, like, and the more complex it gets. It's pretty wild. And the more wiring and back and forth, and you'll have like 5, 6 different like big square plugs going into one board and then diverting off. It gets pretty wild. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. Again, checking out Randy's Den. I appreciate you giving me time and chance. And hope everyone's doing good out there. And glad you give me a chance. Thank you again. Have yourselves a great day. And oh yeah, last one more thing. Let's be good to each other. Give someone a big smile or something today. Brighten their day too. Change just one person's day. They're in a bad mood. Hit them up with something. Make them smile, laugh. Might change their whole day. Might change their whole week. Thanks again. Have a good one.